Good day everyone. Today we will teach you and guide you everything you need to know about the eloading for the Adopisoft software, which is powered by the Fox Tech. Let us go ahead and start. When you connect to your machine to open the portal, you can see the buy eload option, but if it is not yet activated, it will show that unavailable. So what do we need to do in order to activate this? First, let us go ahead and open your dashboard and then go to schedules under the system. You will have to change the time zone into Asia Manila. After you change it, go ahead and click Asia Manila and then set time zone. As you can see, the settings has been saved and eloading showed up on the dashboard. So now go ahead and click it and then click account. This is where you can activate your eloading, but first you will have to buy an activation code for your machine. You can buy this code through the foxtech.com. The links will be provided in the description. So when you have your code already, just type it and then click activate. It will show your trusted phone number and your activation code. Now that the eloading has been activated, let us go ahead and open products and let us check out all the other information in here. So as you can see, there are regular load and there are also promos, and there are different networks in here in the Philippines. And just above the networks, you can see that there is top up type. You can choose between fixed amount and percentage. Then you can choose if you want to apply this to regular loads or the promo load. So for example, we choose regular loads. So you can see here that for any amount that the customer wants to buy, then the top up or the charge will be fixed at 3 pesos. You can also choose percentage, where the fee will be based depending on the total amount of the transaction. So let us try 5% as our fee for the transaction, and let us apply the settings to regular loads. And as you can see that the top up increases as the amount of the transaction also increases. Now that we're done with the regular load, let us go ahead and try to check the promos. So for this one, we are seeing here the available promos in the Globe network. And let us go ahead and check the available promos for the Smart network. So this is the available promos that you can buy with the top up beside it, but you can also actually edit this one if you want. And there is also available option for Gcash cash in. You can edit and update all these available promos if you want, but if you want to automatically update it based on what is on the system, there is a sync products from server option here. This will automatically download and update all the promos in your system if you want. Next, let us check the purchases. So this is where all the transactions will show up, and this is also where you can monitor your earnings. Go ahead and try to make a transaction. So connect to your machine and click buy a load. Now go ahead and type the number that you want to buy a load for. After typing the number, choose the network and then choose the promo. It shows insufficient because we don't have an eload in our load wallet. Now we will go ahead and show you on how to replenish the load wallet. So go ahead and open eloading again. And then under account, you can see that you can visit the Fox Tech portal. Type here your trusted number to log in, and then type the OTP code or the one-time passcode that was sent to your trusted number. And inside the portal is your dashboard. So in here you can familiarize your 𝗀𝗏 account if you want, but let us just go ahead and focus on the replenish wallet option for now, since that is what we came here for. And under the replenish wallet on your dashboard, there will be a step-by-step guide on how you can replenish your load wallet. There will also be options on how you can send the payment for the 𝗀𝗏 that you will be using to replenish your load wallet. Products that are available if you want to also add it to your machine. And under the dashboard there should be your activation code, and if you want to revoke it or if you want to remove it from your machine, this is what you will click. Just click revoke and the activation code will be removed from the machine by then. And since we have revoked the 𝗀𝗏 code, it should not be on your machine anymore, and as you can see, the activation code is gone. But if you want to activate it, you can just activate it anytime you want. Now if you don't have an activation code for 𝗀𝗏, or you just simply don't want to use it, then just go ahead and open the theme, and under the captive portal, scroll down and uncheck the show by 𝗀𝗏 button, and it should not be available anymore. So when you connect to your machine, as you can see, the buy 𝗀𝗏 option is not available since we have removed it on your dashboard. And that would be everything for 𝗀𝗏. I hope you have learned something new. Have a good day everyone, and see you next time.